No, because it's sinking.
Yeah, I've got it.
Don't be taking pictures of me while I'm about to drift.
Move your feet forwards.
You have to actually sit in it.
Yeah.
What's a good idea to take your shoes off?
Video.
It is, it is.
Might want to sit the other way round.
See your weight.
You might want to sit the other way round because there's more air in that end. I really would change your weight round. There's
I'd
more
really
air
get out
in
of this boat, actually. Oh shit, I'm stuck in hand. Back the other way.
I'm starting to break the ice. That's what I'm using the bucket for.
Fat penguin
Go backwards.
breaks the ice.
No, go backwards.
She's going to get in with you.
I couldn't. Tie me on with that?
Turn me on.
No, I'm being tied up.
You're going to leak at the back if you don't change your weight round.
Not! Hannah!
Bloody hell,
You,
woman.
right, what are you two doing?
In a pain in the ass. You go away with your phone. And this stinks.
Well, yeah.
You wanted to do it, stop complaining.
Thanks, Tia. Thanks for that. Straight on my back.
You asked for it.
You really think that's stay dry? You really, really believe that?
He really needs to be with you.